Hey everyone! Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'll draw a long line like this. Then I'll draw a curved line like this on both sides. Now I'll make a design like a house in the middle of it. Draw a window in it. I'll lower it 2 spots again. Now friends, I will draw 2 windows of the house, and this is the first one. Now I'm drawing the second window, friends. I will draw a beautiful door with a line below. A beautiful heart. Now I will see the corner of this house. The flowers and trees are covered in a storm. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red color. Green. Yellow color, pink, dark pink color. I am painting the roof of the house a dark pink color.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
I'm giving the window green again.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
I'm giving the rest of the window a sky blue color.
E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere.
Wow, that's great.
E-I-E-I-O.
Ultramarine color. Friends, I am giving this color a good finish to the entire wall of the house.
On his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a
Please take a look, and I hope you like it.
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Friends, I'm painting the door yellow.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Now I'm painting it red.
Farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now I'm giving green color to these exact places.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Friends, if you like our drawing, please like and share it. See you later in the video. Bye-bye.